Namaste. Priyanka from Hubli branch. Today I'll show how to make idli in LG microwave oven. Let's see the ingredients. This is the butter of idli, and we'll apply the oil to the idli sets and keep in the micro oven. Yeah, this is the micro safe idli kit. I pour the half glass of water and graze the oil brush to the sets and pour the butter of idli. Yes, and place the second one. Yeah, finally the two steps are been completed. After that, close the lid. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರ ಹಾಕಿ micron is on, set for micro, set for 720. Okay, after that keep the lid inside. Lid inside like this. Okay, then start. Set the time for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we'll get the beep sound on the display. Now it is 6 seconds. Okay, finally we got the ready of idli. Okay, see how completely it has been baked. Thanks for the watching video. If you had any doubt, please comment in the comment box. Thanks for watching the video. If you had any doubt, please comment in the comment box.